Hey everyone! Today, I want to share a super useful tip for enhancing the readability of your text. It's all about line spacing options. Now, I know it might sound a bit technical, but trust me, it's worth it. You see, line spacing refers to the vertical space between lines of text. And getting it right can make a world of difference in how easily your audience can read and understand your message. First up, we have single spacing. This option keeps the lines close together, which is great for fitting more text in a limited space. But be careful. If your text is too dense, it can become overwhelming and hard to read. Next, we have double spacing. This option adds more space between lines, giving your text some breathing room. It's perfect for longer paragraphs or when you want to create a more relaxed reading experience. And finally, we have the golden middle ground, 1.5 spacing. This option strikes a balance between single and double spacing. It provides enough space to make your text legible, while still keeping it compact. So, how do you utilize these line spacing options? Well, it's simple. Most text editors and design tools have a line spacing setting that you can adjust. Just play around with it until you find the perfect balance for your content. Remember, the goal is to make your text easy on the eyes and a pleasure to read. So, don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. And there you have it. A quick tip on how to utilize line spacing options for optimal text readability. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating!